Hello and welcome. So I'm giving a demo on applications of trigonometry and my name is Divya Thakur. Line of sight. So suppose a boy is over here and he's looking at a bird on a tree. So the boy's eyes meeting that of the bird forms a line of sight. Angle of elevation. So let's take the same case again in which a boy is seeing the bird. So the angle which the line of the sight is making with the horizontal over here. So this is the horizontal, that is along the, so if these are the eyes of the boy, so this is the horizontal. If he's looking upwards towards the bird, so this is the horizontal, that's the line of sight. So the angle that this horizontal is making with the line of the sight is known as the angle of elevation. Now let's understand what is angle of depression. So now if we consider that the bird is also, so this is the eye of the bird, and now this is how the eye of the bird becomes when it's seeing the boy standing over here, otherwise it was seeing in parallel with its horizontal. So this angle over here that the horizontal of the bird's eye is making with this eye of the boy, that is line along the line of the sight, so this angle is known as the angle of depression. Now let's solve some examples. So suppose a man is standing at a distance from a building that has a height of 30 meters. So suppose this is the man at the point C and AB is the building whose height is 30 meters. So the angle of elevation from the man's eyes. So this is the angle of elevation over here for the man's eyes to the top of the tower is 45 degrees. So now find the distance of the man from the building, that is this distance of the man from the building, as well as the distance between him and the top of this tower, that is this line of sight as well as the horizontal. So we have to find AC as well as BC. And we have the angle of elevation as 45 degrees. So now let's solve this. So I have the AB, which is the length of the tower, and I have to find this. So for this angle, which is 45 degree, this becomes the perpendicular, this becomes the base, and AC becomes the hypotenuse. So to find base, we have perpendicular already, so we can use tan 45 degrees, which is nothing but perpendicular upon base, or we can say AB upon BC. Now we know that tan 45 degree is nothing but 1. AB we know is 30 meters. So upon cross multiplication, we'll get BC is also equals to 30 meters. Now we have to find the hypotenuse. So for that we can use sine 45 degree, which is nothing but perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular in this case is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, so which equals to 30 by AC. So upon cross multiplication we get AC equals to 30 root 2 meters as our answer. So now let's move on to a second example. So a man in a car is looking at the top of the tree. So this is the man inside the car and this is the tree over here represented by AB. So a man is looking at the top of a tree which is 40 meters from him, which means that this distance CB is 40 meters, which is 40 meters from him. Now find the distance between the man and the top of the tree. So we have to find this line of sight. If the angle of elevation, so angle of elevation is given as 30 degrees. So we have to just find AC over here. So as you can see, for this angle of elevation 30 degree, AB is the perpendicular, BC is the base, and this is hypotenuse. So we know the base. We know base is known. And we need to find hypotenuse. So we can use cos 30 degrees over here, which is nothing but base upon hypotenuse, which is equals to 40 upon this AC. So now cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 equals to 40 by AC. So we can cross multiply. So we get AC root 3 equals to 40 into 2, which is 80. Or we can say AC equals to 80 upon root 3 meters. So the distance between the man and the top of the tree is 80 by root 3 meters. So this is all, and thank you for watching.